You can read my book Inside of the Money to understand what really money is. I mean, most of the people think that money is everything and you can only earn money and you cannot make money, but most few people understand how to make money. There is only two ways to making money, and that is to provide a service or sell something. For example, manufacturing companies, they manufacture some product and then sell in the market. So when they sell to the product, they buy to the someone buy to the product, and then they earn revenue from that, profit from that. So same like that, you have to control over money. And when you understand deep about money, you understand that there is a depth, there is a other something things that you don't know money about. It's all about value creation and guarantee for the bond, and how you can return it and how it's going to flow. I mean, this economy work on basis of the supply and demand. So how you're going to uh, find out the balance between both of them and understand the properly money. Read my book Inside of the Money. I recommend highly to read you.